Can a smartphone this slim still pack flagship power? The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge sports a sleek and ultra-thin profile, measuring just 6.4 millimeters in thickness and weighing only 162 grams, making it one of the slimmest flagship phones of 2025. It features a stunning 6.66-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The display supports a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+, ensuring vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and fluid visuals ideal for gaming and media consumption. The ceramic back adds a premium feel, combining elegance with durability. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Edge is powered by the cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, featuring a powerful 7-core CPU and the Adreno 830 GPU. This setup ensures high-speed performance, efficient multitasking, and seamless app handling. It comes in various memory configurations: 8GB RAM with either 128GB or 256GB storage, and a high-end 12GB RAM variant with 512GB storage, offering users flexibility depending on their needs. The camera setup on the Galaxy S25 Edge emphasizes quality over quantity. On the rear, it houses a 200-megapixel primary wide sensor with phase detection autofocus and optical image stabilization for crystal-clear, stabilized shots, and a 12-megapixel ultrawide sensor for capturing broader scenes. Unlike some other S25 variants, the Edge version does not include a telephoto lens, positioning itself differently within the lineup. On the front, there's a 10-megapixel wide-angle camera that supports 4K video recording, ideal for selfies and video calls. Despite its ultra-slim body, the Galaxy S25 Edge manages to include a 3,900 mAh battery, offering respectable longevity for daily use. It supports 25-watt wired charging, allowing for quick top-ups when needed. While it may not boast the largest battery in its class, it balances form and function well, maintaining slimness without severely compromising on battery life. The Galaxy S25 Edge runs Android 15 with Samsung's refined One UI 7, delivering a clean, customizable user experience. It is IP68 certified, offering dust and water resistance, which is standard in premium smartphones. A major highlight is its AI integration, powered by Google Gemini, which brings features like live translation, personalized task automation, and recipe suggestions, making the device smarter and more helpful in everyday scenarios. Samsung is positioning the Galaxy S25 Edge as a direct competitor to ultra-thin models like the upcoming iPhone 17 Air. Its unique blend of slim design, flagship specs, and AI smarts makes it a standout in the premium smartphone space. The device is expected to launch on April 16, 2025 across selected international markets, excluding the US and Canada, with a starting price around €1,200. As a niche flagship, it caters to users seeking luxury and innovation in a compact form factor. The Galaxy S25 Edge offers full 5G support, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, GPS with multiple systems, and a USB Type-C port. It lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack and FM radio. The connectivity package ensures fast, reliable data and location services. Do you think the world's slimmest smartphone can still deliver top-tier performance? Let's dive into the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge to find out. If you're excited about cutting-edge tech, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.